Molo, let's talk about tidying the house today. Ukucoca indlu. Ukucoca indlu. The house is dirty. Indlu imdaka. Indlu imdaka. Mom says, my goodness, the house is dirty. Umama uthi, Mom says, you, indlu imdaka. Indlu imdaka. Let's tidy it. Masiyicoce. Masiyicoce. Let's tidy it. So we have clean or tidy, and the word is to coca. Picking up toys. Ukuchola. Picking up izinto zokudlala, playthings. Pick up, chola. Toys, izinto zokudlala. As I said, those are things to play with. A box, ibhokisi. Mom says, Thabo, pick up the toys. Thabo, chola izinto zokudlala. Thabo, chola izinto zokudlala. Thabo picks up the toys. Uthabo uchola izinto zokudlala. Uthabo uchola izinto zokudlala. He puts them in the box. Uyazibeka, to put. Uyazibeka ebhokisini. Uyazibeka ebhokisini. Making the bed. Ukondlula ibhedi. Ukondlula ibhedi. So to make a bed is ondlula. And the bed itself is ibedi. A duvet, iduvei. A sheet, ishiti. A pillow, umqamelo. Umqamelo. I straighten the sheet and the bed. Ndi lungisa. Lungisa is to make right in a way. Ishiti ne duvei. Ndi lungisa ishiti ne duvei. I place the pillow on the bed. Ndibeka. Ndibeka umqamelo ebhedini. Ndibeka umqamelo ebhedini. Sweeping the floor. Quite a job this cleaning the house. What is Thandi doing? Wenza ntoni uThandi? Wenza ntoni uThandi? We have the word sweep, floor, broom. And they are chayela, umgangato, and umchayelo. We put them together. She sweeps the floor with a broom. Uchayela, she sweeps. Umgangato, the floor. Ngom chayelo. Uchayela, umgangato, ngom chayelo. A bit more about sweeping the floor. Throw away, dirt, bin. Lahla, throw away. inkunkuma, dirt, umgqomo, bin. Lahla inkunkuma, umgqomo. Put them together. She throws away the dirt into the bin. Ulahla inkunkuma emgqomeni. Ulahla inkunkuma emgqomeni. Right, practice that. Cleaning the carpet. Ukucoca ikhaphethi. What is mom doing? Wenza ntoni umama? Wenza ntoni umama? Clean carpet, a vacuum cleaner. Coca ikhaphethi ivacuum. Coca ikhaphethi ivacuum. She cleans the carpet with a vacuum cleaner. Ucoca ikhaphethi ngevacuum. Ucoca ikhaphethi ngevacuum. Right, and now we have finished. Sigqibile. Sigqibile. And what does mom say? Umama uthi. Thank you, children. Enkosi bantwana. Enkosi bantwana. Well done. Nenze kakuhle. Nenze kakuhle. The house is clean now. Indlu icocekile ngoku. Indlu icocekile ngoku. And now we have some words that we have used. Clean is coca. Pick up, chola. Play, dlala. Place or put away, beka. Make as in bed, ondlula. Straighten or make right the sheet. Lungisa. Sweep. Chayela. Throw away. Lahla. And the things, the objects. House, indlu. Toys, izinto zokudlala. Box, ibhokisi. Bed, ibhedi. Duvet, iduveyi. Sheet, ishiti. Pillow, umqamelo. Floor, umgangatho. Broom, umchayelo. Dirt, inkunkuma. Bin, umgqomo. Umgqomo. Carpet, ikhaphethi. Vacuum cleaner, ivacuum. Clean, the adjective clean. Cocekile. Describe things as clean. Cocekile. Describe things as dirty. Mdaka. Mdaka. And that's the end of the video. Enkosi kakhulu.